Hi, I'm Iqbal, and today's video lesson is about using possessive determiners like my and our. We use possessive determiners in everyday English, but what are possessive determiners and what do we use them for? Let's learn this together. Let's start with me first. This is my nose and this is my shirt. Let's look at the sentences and focus on the underlined words. Can you find the possessive determiner? That's right, my is a possessive determiner. What does the word my tell us about the nose and the shirt? Let's look carefully at the sentences. My is a word that tells us who does the nose and the shirt belong to. The nose and the shirt belong to me. Now, let's talk about you. You are probably watching this lesson through your phone or your computer. What does the word your tell us about the phone and the computer? Your is a word that tells us that the phone and the computer belongs to you. It's your phone and it's your computer. So, what is a possessive determiner and when do we use possessive determiners? A possessive determiner is a word that shows the possession of a noun by a person or people. We use possessive determiners to explain who owns something. Let's look at some examples. My pen, your book. Let's move on. So, where do words like my and your go in a sentence? Let's find out. What do you see? That's right, a car. That's my car. Can you spot the determiner? That's right, my is the possessive determiner and it comes before the noun car. My tells us about the possession of the car. My tells us that I own the car. In English, the possessive determiner comes before the noun. What about the different types of possessive determiners? There are two types of possessive determiners, singular and plural. Let's start with the singular ones. We can see there are 5 different singular possessive determiners. They are my, your, his, her, and its. You can see that the subject for each person has a different determiner. For I, we use my. For you, we use your. For he, we use his. For she, we use her. And for it, we use its. Let's look at some examples. This is my pen. This is your book. Here is Mark. This is his bag. Here is Amanda. This is her phone. Here is my dog Mango. Mango has a toy. That's its toy. Let's have a quick look at the singular possessive determiners. A pen, my pen. A book, your book. A bag, his bag. A phone, her phone. A toy, its toy. What about plural possessive determiners? Like with the singular ones, they come before the noun to show possession. We can see there are 3 different plural possessive determiners. They are our, your, and their. You can see that the subject for each person has a different determiner. For we use our. For you, we use your. And for they, we use their. Let's look at some examples. We are a family and this is our house. You are a family, and this is your car. They are a family, and this is their garden. Let's have a quick look at the plural possessive determiners. Our house, your car, their garden. Let's conclude. Now you can use possessive determiners like my, your, and our. And today we learn what is a possessive determiner, when we use a possessive determiner, and using singular and plural possessive determiners. Thanks for watching. See you later.